everybody, welcome to CPP Tech. CPU in. CPU in. We don't have to call Houston. And now.
Retro build, 3 upgrade. Retro build, 3. Retro build, 3. The upgrade.
Okay.
Retro build, 3. The upgrade.
Awesome. Am I in the frame?
Huh?
Am I in the picture?
Yeah.
Oh. Alright. Check. Camera sync. iStudy Pro 2 by Hoheck. Take 1. Take 2. iStudy Pro 2 by Hohem. And you get a razor. Oh, almost fell. I disappeared on my end.
Yeah, your camera's turned off.
My camera turned off?
Yeah,
Oh.
I can't see you anymore.
Here you are.
There you go. I can see you now. Right.
This thing here, I got 2 of them.
Yeah.
So this thing here is what I got running right now.
Right.
And I guess you have the one HDMI in as well, right?
Yeah, and then you're using your GoPro, correct?
I'm using my GoPro. So how do I?
Is there a way to get rid of the, like right now on my screen when I look at you, I see like the 1080, 30 linear, and your SD card.
Yeah, I see that too.
So is there a way to remove that?
Yeah, I'm trying to get me back. There I am. All right. It's on the video side of it. Why is mine showing that though?
Oh, the wording and stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah, just it's covering part of your face, so that's kind of.
I see that.
It's distracting, so I wasn't sure if there's a way to get rid of that.
He's good, but I'm better. So we're really gonna. So we are really. Fuck. He didn't know what he's talking about. I'm gonna do this all over again. I'll be right back. It was so good that other time. Man. Ooh, Sony. Ooh, refreshing. All right, I think I hear him. Goodbye. Okay, that was stupid, but if I gotta use the other one, I'll use the other one. We'll try them both. Ooh! Sony! Refreshing. Bye!
That was good. You went completely down.
Ryan with CPP Tech. I'm going to start this over. Alright. Take 2, or 3, or 4, or 5, or 10. Let's do this again. So you just bought a computer. 1, 2, 1, 2, oh shit. Go, hi, ho, ho, hi. Hidey, hidey, ho, ho. Hidey, hidey, ho, ho. Hidey, hidey, ho, ho. So you just bought a computer. What do you do? I want to play games. All with you. But how do I record it? That's what I ask. OBS. That's a surefire. Alright guys, how you doing? Today we're actually going to talk about, hey guys, how you doing? Today we're going to actually do. Alright guys, that's it for me. I thank you for watching. Nope, we're not doing that. Alright guys, that's it for me. Yeah. Alright, well that's it for me. If you enjoyed this video, check out my video on how to install the CPU and thermal paste. That was a really good video. Yeah. Blah. Blah, 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 blah. Alright guys, that's it for me. Yeah. Alright guys, that's it for me. If you enjoyed this video, tell your friends. Tell your grandma. Tell your mom. Tell everybody. There's a dork on the TV. Yeah. Alright guys, well if you like this video, shite. I can't get this for some reason. Alright guys, well that's it for me. If you like this video, tell your friends, tell your grandma. Alright guys, well that's it for me. I appreciate you watching. Have a good day. I don't want to end it like that. Little bastard. Little bastard. Alright guys, that's it for me. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more content like it. Alright guys, that's it for me. If you want Ding. Ding. Have a good day. Bye. All I can do. I don't know what else to do because I'm drawing a mind fart. Well, thanks for watching my video. I'm not going to say that in the freaking final cut because we're going to redo that.